Welcome to ProMax with another tutorial. In this video, we will show you how to deposit your payments to your ProMax trading account using Binance. Log in to your ProMax dashboard. Click the Deposit Now button. On this page, select the trading account in which you want to deposit. In the Merchant section, select Tether USDT TRC20. Enter the amount that you want to deposit. Then click Proceed to deposit. On this page, you can see a TRC20 wallet address. You need to send your payments to this address. Copy this address. Now, let's go to the Binance application. Open the Binance application and select the wallet option. Open your wallet where you have USDT. Click on Withdraw. Click on USDT. Then click on Send via Crypto Network. Paste the ProMax trading address here. In the network type, select Tron TRC20. Enter the amount that you entered in the ProMax trading. Then click Withdraw. Double check the wallet address. If you input the wrong wallet address, you may lose your funds forever. Then click Confirm. After your payment is confirmed, go back to the ProMax trading website. Click here to upload the payment screenshot. Our team will confirm the payment in a few minutes. Thank you. ProMax, it's all about you.